Welcome back to Let Us Learn to Lead video series on free open source software designed by M. Srinivasan, Training Associate Mathematics, Kendra Vidyalaya Sangathan, Zonal Institute of Education and Training, Mumbai. Self-learning contents in video form on GeoGebra dynamic mathematics software is presented at this video series. To view the contents, you may join Google Classroom by using the class code 73AUMBO. In this video, you will learn designing worksheet to check result on angle between tangents from an external point. For preparing this video lecture, I used Windows 10 operating system, a licensed version, GeoGebra 5.0, a free open source software, and free open source screen recorder software. Let us start. Let me tell you what type of worksheet we will be designing. We will be designing a worksheet to check the angle between the tangent from an external point. It is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the points of contact at the center. We will draw one circle and two tangents from it. The angle made by it is supplementary to the angle made by the line segment at the joining the point of contact at the center. The child can come and visualize it by pulling and pushing it. Always alpha plus beta will be 180 degrees. Let us try to design this worksheet from scratch. For that, I have taken GeoGebra Classic 5 worksheet. Geometry view I have selected, and in the option rounding off to one decimal place and labeling of new points only. Let us start with the heading, angle between tangents from an external point. Okay, we will make the statement now. Statement of this theorem. The angle made between the two tangents drawn from an external point is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the point of contact at the center. We have to draw one circle. For that, it is left to you. You can have, if you want to have different circles, you can fix a slider with integer from 1 to 10 with increment 1, so that you can increase it and then you can show different circle to the children. And you can show it for a general circle also. I am putting it, and you have to type n over here so that when I move this, the circle will go. Okay, now normally the center will be taken as O. Therefore, let us rename it as capital O. Let us take a point outside. This is a point outside. Normally the point outside will be denoted by P in most of the results, or we will take it as P. We have to go for two tangents. The tangent line is under this perpendicular line. Go to the tangents, select it. Select this point and then touch this circle. You will get the tangents now. The tangents will have point of contact. Go to the intersect. Touch the tangent, touch the circle, touch the tangent line and touch the circle. Now let us go for this tangents for our convenience. Let us try to join this segment. PA we will have, then we will have PB. Okay. Now we will hide these two tangent lines. Okay. Now we will declare it in the class that PA and PB are the two tangents we have drawn from an external point. Okay, to the circle. Good. Now the angle between the two tangents, therefore we have to make the angles now. Therefore angle, go in clockwise direction, touch A, touch P and touch B. Okay, you got the angle now. Good. We can be brought outside and we can be brought over here. Alpha can be brought inside. Okay, now good. Now we have to make the angle subtended at the center. For that we have to go for the segment, join this A and O and B. How to get this angle? Go to this angle now, touch this B, touch O, touch A. Always do it in clockwise. Now you are very well seeing that the summation is 180 degrees. Where we have to declare that this angle OAB is the angle subtended by the line segment, the joining the points of contact at the center. Child should know what is this angle AOB. Now which two angles summation is 180? That also we have to declare. The child will understand now the angle BPA. Therefore BPA plus angle AOB, alpha plus beta is 180. They can verify it. Now from the objects you can have alpha plus, so that when you move it, this number also will change, is equal to 180 degrees. Good. They can come and check it. Now the child is ready. Now they can visualize it by pulling and pushing, escape, and then they can pull it. They can pull this also, and they can pull it at any place. At all the places the summation is always 180 degrees. Therefore we have proved a very interesting result of the angle between the tangents from an external point using GeoGebra. Thank you. Let us learn to lead.